Today we're diving into the world of mobile connectivity. Let's get started. The best Wi-Fi hotspot apps for Android allow users to share their mobile data connection with other devices, turning their smartphone into a portable Wi-Fi router. These apps typically offer features like a user-friendly interface, secure connection options, and customizable settings for bandwidth management and user limits. Some popular options include Wi-Fi tethering, which enables simple sharing of data, and FoxFi, which works without rooting the device. These apps are ideal for users on the go, ensuring that friends and family can stay connected to the internet, even when traditional Wi-Fi networks are unavailable. Thanks for watching. Now that you know about some of the best Wi-Fi hotspot apps for Android, see you in the next video.